Gotham City knows how to party. Gotham City knows how to party. In the city of Batman. In the city without Clark Kent. In the city of justice. We keep it rockin'. We keep it rockin'. Now let me welcome everybody to the wild, wild east. A place with killer clowns and sewer living beasts. Batmobile hits the road like salt on a slug. Unlike Arrow, my sidekicks don't get into drugs. I'm in the old school town with the dark red skyline. A town that has been stuck in one part of time. And chicks be on a mission for Bat D. Lean, mean, money stealing machines seducing me. I've been in the game for 5 Robins catching villains. Ever since FDR was president, now it is today, and they punch me, kick me, bullets flying, wonder who the next villain be. It's all good, from the boardwalk to the pier. The city isn't safe, but right now we in the clear. Throw up the signal if you don't feel the same. Batman's on the case, Mr. Freeze is really lame. Gotham City knows how to party. Gotham City knows how to party. In the city of Batman. In the city without Clark Kent. In the city of justice. We keep it rockin'. We keep it rockin'. Shake it, Ivy. Shake it, shake it. Shake it, Ivy. Shake it, Robin. Shake it.
Wait, what the fuck?
Shake it, Ivy. Shake it, Ivy. Shake it, Robin.
No, seriously, what the fuck is up with that?